guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the journey to saving money all 2022. So today is such a different layout than it usually is. We are doing a budget with me video, my very first budget with me video, and I am nervous to say the least. Not really sure how they work exactly. I'm just gonna go with it and just take you guys through how I break down my income. And I'm not going to be doing like bills and everything, but I'm going to be breaking down what I will be stuffing and how I stuff it. And so I'm trying out a new challenge, so I'm going to stop rambling now and get right into this video. This is my note-taking page. You guys can glimpse at it if you want to. This is just like my notes on what I rough draft as to what I'm going to be stuffing. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side just for me to look at it, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our paycheck breakdown and everything like that. My paycheck breakdown is my income that I will be stuffing is coming from a portion of what I have left of the tax return that I received this year. Always save more than I spend, and I have accounted for everything that I've bought, but sometimes you just got to buy yourself some things. If you're prioritizing saving, I feel like there's no issue with that, as long as you're keeping account for everything that you're spending and you're not going overboard. So I will be stuffing a total of $555 for now. So we're gonna go ahead and add that into our calculator. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah, I think you guys can see that. And we're gonna go ahead and start subtracting, deducting, whatever. Next we're gonna move on to daily funds. Like I said, I have family to help out with groceries, so I don't stuff anything for groceries unless I want to go a little bit extra. But other than that, I don't need to stuff groceries for the time being. Now, for my personal fund, I will be getting a little bit less than I usually get, and so will Alexander, just because we don't really need anything. I've bought myself things that I've wanted and needed, and Alexander has finally learned to use the potty, so his training pants can last a long time now. So we're gonna go ahead and minus 15. Next, fast food is doing $0. I'm trying a challenge this month of no eating out except my birthday. That's gonna be like a fancy restaurant though, but no eating out like fast food. I spend entirely too much money on fast food, and sometimes I have to dip into, like, if I have money left over in my personal fund, I will dip into that to buy myself something for fast food, and that's not what I want. So we're going to do a no fast food challenge for the rest of this month. And I will be doing a check-in with you guys also, so stay tuned for that. And gas is going up ridiculously, so gas will be getting 30s just in case we have some emergencies, or just need to get to and from a store or anything. And since I will be doing no restaurants or fast food, I will be doing nothing for give. So let's go ahead and minus 30, and then we're going to put to the side over here what that equals, or at the bottom, and we're going to put that equals $60, just to keep track of everything that we're doing. So next we're going to go over to our low priority sinking funds, and we're going to start with business. So business will be getting nothing. I have bought supplies for business, so that's not really in need of any extra money. My husband will be getting $10 in his envelope, so we're going to go ahead and minus that. Vacation will be getting $5, because vacation actually has a good amount of money for what I've been saving. Date night will be getting $10, and miscellaneous will be getting $10 as well, and memberships will be getting nothing. So minus 20. Next we're going to add that up. That's 10, 20, 30, 35, and write it down here at the bottom to keep track of what all we need. Next is our high priority sinking funds. This is where I focus mostly on stuffing, and also with my challenges. So emergency will be getting $30. I'm trying to make sure that emergency savings is stacked. before June. New place is getting 30. Also making sure that that is stacked before June as well. And then car cash is also getting 30. My car needs some maintenance, so definitely want to make sure that that has a good amount of money as well. And then I kind of taper off on the amounts that I give. So health will be getting $10. Anniversary will be getting $20. My anniversary is coming up here in April. Wedding is getting $10. And holidays is also getting $10. So minus 20. And then debt is getting $20. Alright, so that is a total of 90, 100, 20, 40. So $160. Okay, and then our challenges. So my challenges is also something that will be prioritized, because once I finish my challenges, you know, I will start up new ones, but like I won't be doing 2 1K challenges, and I definitely probably won't start the 100 envelope challenge for a while. Yeah, this is just something to get me on my feet, steady, you know, a nice net, like a safety net to fall into if I need anything. So $1 challenge gets its usual $10. Our $600 challenge, which is Alex's challenge, gets $50. Our 1K household challenge gets $75. Our 1K rainy day gets $65. Let me go ahead and minus all that. I honestly forget to punch in the numbers on my calculator. Like, I forget. So for the 5K 100 envelope challenge, it will be getting $60. And I want to make a side note that those envelopes that are getting stuffed are numbers 28 and 32. So minus 60. Next is our self-care challenge, which will be getting $20. And then our last $20 will be going in 1 month ahead. And that is how I budget using the zero-based budget method. And like I said, we'll be stuffing a total of $555. And that leaves me with a little bit over half of this amount in my bank account left of my tax return. Like I said, for my birthday, I want to get I wanted to do something fun, but I will definitely be stuffing the rest of the tax return after my birthday in my high priority and challenges most likely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if you have any tips or what you do on your budget with me videos. I felt like this was kind of short, and yeah, so I'm always rambling, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like I said, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up if you want, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!